Today we are going to learn about the Piskel App interface. Please go to piskelapp.com and choose Create Sprite. Today is a day for exploration, so we're going to look at the different tools. The first tool, the pen tool, has 4 different sizes of pixels. Depending on what it is you are trying to draw. The fill bucket allows you to fill a complete area with color. You can move this around to choose your color, and you can also use the slider. When you come over here to fill, you can fill that area. This is a secondary color, and you would use the right mouse to choose that color. No. Okay. Once you choose that color and you use the right mouse button, it will fill that area, left and then right. So depending on what you're trying to do, if you're only using 2 colors, that's a great option. We have the eraser tool. And again, it will have the same different sizes as the pen tool. We have a rectangle tool. The rectangle tool does just that. It will draw a rectangle. I'm going to change the color so that we can see it after it's drawn. And I'm going to go back down to pixel size 1. And we have a rectangle. Circle tool. This is really helpful because it is definitely difficult to draw circles using pixels. You can continue exploring the different tools. The best part about the art tool, Piskel Art, is that each one of these is considered a frame. The frame allows you to duplicate just like any other animation. Although nothing is happening here, if you change one item within your animation, you will see the animated portion over here on this side. You can speed up the animation by lowering the frame count or by making more frames for an extended period. Today is a day for exploration. If you're not sure what a tool does, try it. If it doesn't work the way that you want it to work, just press delete. Enjoy.